Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process, preventing any accidental power surges or movement while you work on your car's electrical system. Next, open your trunk and locate the small access panel on the side of the taillight assembly. You might need to gently pry it open. Once exposed, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 retaining screws that hold the entire taillight assembly in place. Carefully pull the assembly straight back to detach it from the vehicle, being mindful of any wiring harnesses. Now that the taillight assembly is out, identify the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it directly from the socket. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly before reinserting the socket into the assembly. Finally, carefully push the taillight assembly back into its housing, aligning the tabs. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Close the access panel. Have someone press the brake pedal while you check the new brake light to ensure it illuminates properly. This confirms your successful replacement and gets you safely back on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.